Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can edit objects in Prusa Slicer using merge. So basically in my case I'm going to be adding my shapes. Let's go ahead and do two objects right here. The first one is going to be a box and the second one is going to be a cylinder. Now after making your adjustments, to simply use the merge function, what you want to do is to just select both objects together inside the name right here or the objects category. You want to right click on it and then click on merge. And basically from here, you have enabled something like the Boolean operator on which you can modify your objects further. But generally, that's how you use the merge function. Once again, you just want to make sure that you have selected both objects inside the object category. And then after aligning them together on how you want them to simply merge, just right click on it, click on merge, and here we have it. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.